Hello lovely, in this video I'm going to explain to you what a sea day is. If you watched video 1, you learned about embarkation day. Now we're on video 2 of our 4-part series and we're talking all about sea days. This is where you are just out in the water. Usually there's a bunch of water around you, and I actually find the days when you're just looking out over the water to be so relaxing and calming. I know some people really don't like it, but it's something I really enjoy. It's just looking out at the water and not seeing anything but water for like miles. For me, it's kind of calming. Because people are not getting off the ship, it does tend to be a lot busier days than, say, a port day. Things like water slides, rock walls, surfing simulators, and ice skating will be a lot busier because there's just a lot more people on the ship as compared to like a port day where people are exploring and you can probably do those things a lot quicker. But they are also really nice because the itinerary for what the ship offers during the day is on your schedule will be a lot more full because they have to entertain thousands of guests. So definitely take everything into consideration. If you're thinking that you're going to walk up to the surfing simulator and get on within 5 minutes, you might, but there's a pretty good chance that it'll take a little bit longer than 5 minutes to get through a couple times. I have heard that people say do not book your spa during a sea day. So if you're planning on doing something in the spa, to book it on a port day when you are docked somewhere, or you can explore an island on that day because it tends to be cheaper. I haven't done that for the purpose of, I like to do things when we make it to a destination. I like to explore. So on sea days, I'm stuck on the ship all day. So I figure that's the best time to just relax, not worry about hustling or running to an appointment here, going back on an excursion and trying to make it back. So I do plan things like the spa on sea days just because I know I have the whole day ahead of me and I don't have to rush to anything that I've already paid for. Sea days are great if you just want to take the time to relax and sunbathe and go by the pool. Not the main pool. I would suggest if you are over 18, go to an adult pool because there will be a lot less kids depending on the cruise line you're on. So it is a good day though. If you don't have anything planned, definitely take the time, lay out in the sun, soak up the sun, and just enjoy being in a warm climate. If you can't tell, I'm from Alaska, so any moment you get to be in the sun, definitely take it. No matter what day it is, make sure to check the cruise schedule. There you'll have different things like shows they may be having. I know on one sea day, I was on the Allure of the Seas. It's a Royal Caribbean cruise, and I decided to just go out to the back of the ship because it was a really beautiful day, and I was there just soaking up the sun. And all of a sudden they started setting up for a show and I got to sit there for one of their diving shows. They're really cool. If you haven't seen one of their diving shows, you probably should check it out. So that was sea days. Sea days are pretty much, they're kind of up in the air as far as what activities your cruise ship will offer, but they're also really great because I've done where you do an island every single day, and having that time, that breather just to kind of regain yourself, to relax, to chill is also good as well. So if you have been on a cruise, let me know what's your favorite activity to do at sea. I will leave mine in the comments below. And if you haven't been on a cruise, let me know when your first one's going to be or where you'd like your first cruise to take you. Go ahead and watch the embarkation day video so you can know all the different tips and things that you need to know for embarkation day. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss about video 3, which is our port day video. Name's Lady, so let's dive wide in. Try again. Okay. Sea days tend to be super busy tend to be sea days. Things like the rock wall